Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to improve fitness, avoid injuries or stay active on non-running days, Runna lets you include cross-training sessions like cycling, strength or swimming in your training plan. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add cross-training in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Runna app. Okay, log into your account. Go to your active training plan. Okay, make sure your current plan is visible. So now open the plan settings. Okay, so tap your training plan, go to settings or plan settings. So this is where training preferences are adjusted. So enable cross training. So tap training preferences. Okay, so this is the section of training preferences. So now look for cross training or strength training. Okay, so it should be here. You have to update you upgrade your account to see all the options. Okay, so toggle it on. This allows cross training sessions in your plan. Okay, so go to training days or schedule. So you can choose cross training days, so select a rest or easy day, assign it as a cross training day. Okay, avoid placing cross training before hard run sessions. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.